everybody and welcome to Wednesday's math session. Now yesterday we started the session by watching Number Blocks episode all about the number 16. And then we thought really carefully about whether or not we could split number 16 into two groups, into half. And I seem to remember yesterday in my video, actually we definitely could do that, which is fabulous. So I've got my number 16 again. Well, I think I've got 16. Will you just count with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I've got my 16 cubes back, which is fabulous. So let's see if I can split them like I did yesterday into two equal groups. If they are equal, it means they have the same number of cubes in. Let's see if I can do it, shall we? Do you think I can do it first time? I'm going to try it here. I think I have. Let's have a look, children. Are you ready? Okay. Here, I had 16 cubes. And now I've broken them into two groups. I've split them, hopefully, in half. If they're in half, they've got exactly the same amount of cubes in both groups. Shall we see? Let's count this one again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's 8 in this set. What about in this one? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in that one. I did do it. And the other way I can tell is all my cubes are the same size. And look, I've split it into two towers that are exactly the same height, which is amazing. So I now can remember from yesterday that number 16, I can split perfectly into two equal groups. Now, I know last week with Mrs. Boyden, she introduced the words odd and even to you. And if a number can be split perfectly into two groups where both groups are equal and have the same amount in, are they odd? Is that number an odd number or an even number? If I've got 16 and I can split it into two perfectly equal groups, that makes it even. If it's odd, there's one left out. There's an odd one out, poor thing. But look, 16 must be an even number because I don't have any left over. Both the groups are exactly the same size. So 16 is an even number. Now, when I find out that things are even numbers, it helps me to think about counting in twos. And again, I know we started thinking about this last week, so hopefully we are all becoming counting in two experts. So I now know 16 is an even number. 16 is an even number, which means when I count in twos, I should be able to hit the number 16. I wonder if you can help me. On the doors today, if you look really carefully, I've got a number line and it starts at 0 and it goes all the way up to 16. Well, let's start nice and easy, shall we? Shall we count each number until we get to 16? We're going to count them all. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, count with me, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Look at that. We did get up to 16 on my number line, but that was counting in ones. That was easy, wasn't it? I wonder if we can have a go at counting in twos. Now, last week I think we got to 14 with counting in twos. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, I'm going to start at 0. And when I count in twos, I have to jump over the odd numbers. I have to miss a number out each time. So instead of going from 0 to 1, I have to go from 0 to 2. Oh, so 0 is an even number. 2 is an even number. Well, I can't count number 3 because that would be adding on one more, but I need to add on 2 more. So 1, 2. Oh, look, from 2 I have to jump to 4. And then from 4, what number will I get to next if I have to add on another 2? 1, 2. Did you say 6? Well done if you did. 4, 6. There it is. Look. 0, 2, 4, 6. Hopefully you're remembering this from last week, children. 0, 2, 4, 6. What number's going to come next if I'm counting in twos? Well done, those of you that said, no, it's not 7, it's 8. There we go. Miss one out. There we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What's coming next? Tell me again. Oh, no, it's not 9 if you said 9. Good try, though. That would be adding 1 on. When we count in twos, we have to count 2 more on. 1, 2. Oh, so from 8, I have to go to 10. And from 10, let's add 2 more on. 1, 2. Ooh, takes me to 12. And from 12, ooh, add on 2. 1, 2. We go to 14. Ooh, gosh, that was a tricky number to circle, children. Let's see what happens if I can count on 2 more and end up at 16. Do you think it's going to work? Let's try. From 14, I'm going to add 1, 2. Oh, I did get to our newest number, the number 16. So let's see if we can count in 2s. Again, last time we did it to 14 last week. Can we get to 16 this week? Remember, you can only say the numbers I've circled because they're the ones that we've counted into and landed at. Are we ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Should we do it again? Ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Should we do it in a really slow voice? Are you ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Ooh. Shall we see like last week if we can wind ourselves up here really, really fast this time and say it really quickly without missing any? Are you ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yes. Okay, your first challenge today, children, is this. I want you to keep practicing counting in 2s now that we've got to 16 and see if you can get really confident with counting in 2s all the way up to 16, our newest number. And then when you've done that, your challenge is to go around your house and find the number 16. You might have to look in books. Maybe you might need to look on a digital clock. Maybe you need to look on some food packaging. See if you can find the number 16. See where it pops up in your house. Now, if it doesn't pop up in many places, your other challenge is you're going to write the number 16 down on lots and lots of different pieces of paper. And then I want you to go and hide them around your house and ask another member of your family to go and find all the number 16s. And then they can do it to you as well. So that could be really fun. See if you can find the number 16s. Maybe you could even add some sneaky 15s in. And then you can tell your adult, or they can tell you, whether you brought the right number back or not, because we only want the number 16. Ooh, I can't wait to see what you get up to today, children. Send me lots of pictures of all the things you find with the number 16 on, or all the places you hide your 16 numbers that you write. Have a great day, children. Take care. Bye-bye.